Welcome back to the EComposer YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Shopify blogging and showing you how to take your blog to the next level with EComposer. But before we get started, if you're new here, remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can take advantage of our latest tips and tutorials. First, navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard and create your blog. It's as easy as a few clicks. Once your blog is set up, it's time to access the powerful EComposer editor. So if you still don't have EComposer on your Shopify store, check the link in this video description and install now. Now, let's customize blog post by EComposer. From the EComposer app dashboard, click Start Building, select Blog Post Template, then choose blank or pre-made templates to start. You can access up to 120 plus page and 400 plus section layouts on EComposer pre-made template library. In this video, I'm gonna create my own blog post template from scratch. Now that we're in the EComposer editor, the possibilities are endless. Now, let's move on to the central part of the video, where we create our own blog post template from a blank canvas. Section 1. Blog Post Introduction. First, let's set up the introduction of our blog post. In this section, we'll set up the essential elements of our blog post, including the article tags, title, author, and date. First, I will add the articles tag element. In default, it shows all tags of all blog posts in your Shopify store. You can adjust the maximum tags to show, column, and row gap. Then spend a few time customizing tag list display. Here, I'm gonna change the tag's border radius and color in hovering status. And this is the outcome. Next, drag and drop other elements like article title, author, date, and breadcrumbs to create a visually appealing blog post intro layout. Customize the content and design with ease. Section 2. Blog Post Main Content. This is where we bring our blog post to life. Here, I'll add blog images, then divide the page into two columns. The left column lists the main blog content, previous and next blog suggestions, and comment sections, and the rest side is for the extra components like blog post search, table of contents, newsletter subscribe box, and so on. I will spend a few time customizing this to column layout. Choose full width for the content width layout. Set column gap as narrow. Then select section structure as 70-30. Now, I'm adding the article content element. You can see now the content type is in text. Once changing into HTML style, you're now seeing your blog content presenting paragraphs and headings clearly. In the main blog content, you can adjust the typography of your blog heading and text. Just customize the link text and headings typography in the Site Settings tab. We have a detailed tutorial of EComposer site settings here. Check it out. Next, decide to show your blog content in the full or short version. If choosing short, you now can adjust the showable content length and turn on View More button. In the bottom of blog content, I'll put the previous next article element, social media buttons, and a comment section, including a comment showcase and a leave a comment form. Now, let's start dragging and dropping the previous next article. Please notice that the blog post showing here is just for preview. In the live site, depend on the main blog post is, this element will recommend the previous and next articles in the same category with the main blog post. Next, select the display type for blog posts. You have the option to showcase both the previous and next posts, or just one of them. For example, here I will pick to show next post. You can add the icon next to the next post button. Rename this button as you want. Then decide the icon position is left or right, and adjust the spacing between next post button's text and icon. Next, you can choose to show or hide some attributes like article featured image, article title, article date. To increase the reader engagement, I'm gonna create the comment box. First, I'm placing comment count, then comments display. Spend a few seconds changing the date format. And other options like comment per pages, comment gap, comment position, show audience avatar, and pagination settings. Don't forget to customize the comments design to be more visual in your blog post template. And finally, I'll leave a comment form. Dive into the content section. First, decide to allocate all form fields in horizontal or vertical. Next, rename all labels and placeholder boxes. Adjust the column gap and row gap. You can also change the contents of your comment form's notifications. Now, customize your form's design. Like here, first, I'm realigning the Submit Form button to the left side. Next, change text color of form labels. Color of input boxes in normal and hovering modes. Then, set the color and style for your form submit button. Success message and error message. You should have some headings to split up the submitted comments and leave a comment form clearly and visually. One thing to notice you that, normally, comments for all Shopify blog post categories are disabled. To allow users to comment and showcase their comments lively, you have to access your blog category, then select between these options here. Now, I will add the social channels button between the next post and comment parts. To understand fully how to configure the Shopify social media button, I suggest you watch this video. Find the link in the description box and watch now. Moving to the right column. In the top of blog post's right side, I'll place a search bar. This search bar can support your customers in searching for products, page name, and articles matching with their keyword. Now, I change my search bar's placeholder text and button text. Next, I will create a table of contents by EComposer's table of content extension. Please find this video to learn how to set it up in details. Now, I will add a new row. Customize its design. Then prepare for a block called Popular Post. drag and drop the related articles into that row. I'm gonna remain the related articles blocks layout as grid and maximum blog posts to show. Then change the items per row in grid settings at 2. Back to related articles as general content tab. Now I will do some changes like deleting some attributes, hiding some components in the post meta like author, comment count. I want this block more stunning, so I will go to its design tab, then update its blog post's heading typeface. The last block that every blog post must have to collect more potential leads is newsletter subscriber. Now I will drag and drop the element newsletter on the desired position. In the Content tab, first, I'm gonna set my newsletter sign-up form in the vertical style. Adjust the placeholder text and remain other components content. Next, move to Design tab and customize width, height, margin, and padding of the newsletter form. Spend a little time customizing this section's design. With EComposer, you have complete control over every aspect of your blog post layout. And this is the outcome. Remember to check your blog post template SEO friendly or not. You can use SEO audit feature built through deep integration between our EComposer and third-party app to implement SEO on your blog post. Moreover, EComposer supports all merchants in optimizing their pages built on this app to be mobile friendly. Just click to switch to other devices, then start customizing your blog post template display easily. To understand more how to make your page to be mobile friendly, watch more in this video. A back to top button built by EComposer back to top extension to improve the audience reading experience. View that extension video guide here. Finally, I will save and publish and then see the blog post template I have completed on the live site. Scrolling to Assign for section. Here you can choose to decide your blog post template is published and applied for all blog posts or just applied for some specific blog posts. And there you have it. With EComposer, you can create stunning blog templates. If you want to restore to the Shopify default blog post layout, go to the Templates section on the EComposer app dashboard's navigation bar. In the Blog Post tab, select the Restore button. Once you return to the default Shopify layout, you can easily switch to the EComposer blog post template for any specific blog post. Simply select the desired article, scroll down, and choose the perfect template from the Theme Template section. It's that simple. And that's a wrap. Thanks for tuning in to learn how to level up your Shopify blog with EComposer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.